If you like the content on this channel, please consider supporting it. Details in the description.
Calling at Norwood Junction, West Croydon, Wadden, Wallington, Carshalton Beaches, Sutton, Cheam, York East and Epsom. This train has 10 coaches. Platform 12 for the 15:55 Southern service to Epsom.
Station staff are here to help you with your journey and any questions you may have. Please respect all our staff. No one should have to tolerate threatening or abusive behaviour whilst doing their job. Let's work together to keep everyone safe. Please wear a face covering while in stations and travelling on public transport. And remember, some passengers have invisible disabilities or health conditions which may mean they are unable to wear one.
This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please take extra care whilst on the station. Surfaces may be slippery.
Security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Croydon. Calling at New Cross Gate, Brockley, Honorat Park, Forest Hill, Sydenham, Penge West, Annerley, Norwood Junction and East Croydon. This train has 8 coaches. And Tattenham Corner. Calling at East Croydon, South Croydon, Hurley Oaks and Hurley, where the train divides. Please travel in the front 5 coaches of the train for Kenley, Whiteleaf South and Caterham. Please travel in the rear 5 coaches of the train for Reedham, Coulsman Town, Woodmanstone, Chipstead, Kingswood, Tadworth and Tattenham Corner. Please note some of the lifts at East Croydon and East Croydon are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
To keep you safe when travelling, we clean stations more frequently. Please wear a face covering over your mouth and nose unless you're exempt. Wash your hands regularly and keep your distance. Travel with confidence.
Our station staff are here to help you with your journey and any questions you may have. Please respect all our staff. No one should have to tolerate threatening or abusive behaviour whilst doing their job. Let's work together to keep everyone safe.
This is a safety announcement. Due to today's wet weather, please take extra care whilst on the station. Surfaces may be slippery.